the clinical problem is not evolved so much. So because we perform a single fraction treatment for the AVMs, for example, 15 years ago, and we treat with single fraction 15 years then. It's evolved because our experience is evolved. Our experience to use it is evolved. And we understand, for example, that fractionation, for example, for I use an example for acoustic neuromas that where the patient have an anacusia, the patient has not usable hearing, but you can fractionate it because it's sparing for the brainstem, for example. And this is a particular experience that we have and we evolve. The indications for the treatments are not evolved so much. They are changed, yes, but I don't think they are evolved.